Hi guys, in this next video of digital marketing, I'm going to talk about web development or website. Why website is an essential part of your digital marketing plan or digital marketing. Why do you need a website? Maybe you can say that I don't require a website for my business. Maybe that can be temporary. It cannot be a permanent solution because the future is digital. You might have a big signboard outside your store, but those days have gone now. You don't need a signboard or you don't need a store. You can sell or create any business even from home. So what happens now? Things have changed. Before they find a name for your business, people are searching for the domain. If that exists, then you got the right name. Otherwise, they keep changing them. They're trying different names with the domain search engines. So, website is a very important aspect for any business. Why you need a website? That can give a much more credibility of your business. It saves time. You can reach, as I mentioned earlier, you can reach your global audience. People can see the services you offer on their mobile or on their laptop. So website is a very essential tool for any business. So some of the benefits of website, I would say it can improve your effectiveness, advertising effectiveness, save money on printing, it can save your distribution cost, and it can give you access for new customers. It can improve your productivity. You can educate your customers. Educating your customers on your products is very easy. Expanding your customer base, as well as extend your local reach. So these are some of the important aspects of website. So definitely, are you planning to do a business or you already have a business? Make sure you have a website. Okay, I have a website. If you think, is your website is good enough? Let's talk about the essentials for a good website. When you say a good website, what are the main aspects? You should have a friendly design with solid navigation. People should understand your business on the home page itself. Then the call to action buttons, which are very essential. A good SEO, as I spoke to you in my earlier video, it's a good SEO so that it can easily rank better on somebody type a keyword relevant to your business. Fast load time. If your website is slow, then people tend to leave your site. So make sure you have a website which is very fast. Have a good hosting company, as well as have better plugins which can help you to make your website run faster. Then mobile friendliness. Make sure your website is friendly, responsive for all mobiles. So these are some of the important aspects required for a good website. You can build trust, build credibility. So have a good website, have a website first, then try to improve so that you can reach wider audience. So this is when it comes to website, when it comes to digital marketing, website, web development is a very essential tool. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Bernard. I'll see you in my next video on digital marketing.